how to change phone language or default phone language on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. By default, set the English language on your device. Depend on your countries. If you want to change the default phone language on the app drawer, go to settings and scroll down up to general management on your Samsung device. Tap on a general management. Now tap on a language at the top. Here you can see English India set in my device by default. So you can see your country language. If you want to change it, tap on a add a language option. Now here you can see the suggested app language. Also see suggested by Samsung language. So you need to select the any language you want to change as a default language. So we select currently this. Set Hindi as the default language. Tap on a set as a default option to set the default language as a Hindi on your Samsung device. Or you can also select keep current. Now tap set as the default. Now Hindi set as the first language or default language. Now go back and you can change my phone language to my Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So quite easy. Just select the option and change the language. If you want to set again, tap on English India. Tap on this to automatically change language to default on your device. So add the multiple language you want to select. Tap on edit icon. Select the language you want to remove. Tap on delete. Now remove, and it will remove the language from the list. That's it. Like it, share it.